This is my personal creative idea. I hope you will support the channel. Welcome to this creative journey of turning a regular bicycle into a chainless bike. Today, we'll build a smooth and powerful chainless motor drive system. First, remove the old chain, cassette, and chainring to free the rear wheel. Clean the hub and bottom bracket to prepare for the new drive system. We'll use a high-torque DC motor to replace the traditional chain drive. Mount a small pulley on the motor shaft to deliver direct and stable power. Next, install a larger pulley on the rear wheel hub for optimal traction. Align the two pulleys precisely to keep the belt running smooth and straight. Build a steel motor mount and secure it firmly to the rear frame. Make sure the motor stays stable while accelerating or climbing hills. Loop the belt onto the pulleys and adjust the tension to the right level. Now, install the electrical system, battery, switch, and speed controller. Connect the motor wires to the controller for smooth speed management. Place the on-off switch on the handlebar for quick access. Secure the battery pack to the frame to keep the bike balanced. Check all wiring to prevent vibration, short circuits, or damage. Now, turn on the system to test the motor's stability. The rear wheel spins smoothly, without a chain or traditional gears. The belt drive reduces friction, runs quietly, and lasts longer. Take it for a test ride to feel the responsiveness and strong pull. Every twist of the throttle reacts instantly and silently. The bike becomes lighter, cleaner, and nearly a simple new drive system that completely changes the riding experience. No chain, no grease, and no more unexpected chain drops. A perfect idea for anyone who loves DIY and bike upgrades. Thank you for joining this fun, creative project. Subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts below. See you again in the next creative build. This is just a creative idea based on personal preference. We would greatly appreciate your support for the channel by please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you.